Hey guys, so you might have acne or acne scars like me, and if you do, I promise that this is a really helpful video for you. Here you can see I have acne on both of my cheeks with an active acne on one. Today I'm going to show how to cover active acne, blemishes, scars or any other imperfections without having your makeup look cakey or unnatural. Starting off by prepping my skin with the moisturizer. If you have acne, the area will be drier in comparison to the rest of your face. And if you apply any product without moisturizing, it will probably stick to the dry patches and enhance the texture even more. I'm just working this all over my face and give it 2-3 minutes to sink into my skin before I apply foundation. Trick with foundation is to start with really thin layer. I'm just using my fingers and dotting the foundation, specially focusing on areas that need coverage. The foundation that I'm using is a medium coverage foundation in satin finish. Because I will be using a concealer later to cover the spots, I'm avoiding using a full coverage foundation since it's really heavy layer and my base might end up looking cakey with too much layering. I'm blending my foundation in a dabbing motion on areas that I need coverage and buffing out the rest of my face. Majority of scars and pigmentation is covered at this point, but you can still see some scars and acne peeking through. To cover these areas, use a small flat concealer brush and place the concealer. I'm using a full coverage concealer here. Lay the product flat against your skin. One important thing when you're spot correcting is that you want to make sure that concealer is the shade that matches your skin really well. It should not be light or dark, it should be exactly your skin tone. Another important thing is to go over an area only once. If you continue to apply product in one area over and over again, it will make the base look cakey. Start with a light layer and then if you feel you need some extra coverage, you can go over again. I just let the concealer sit for a minute. This way it becomes a bit tacky and it will not move a lot when you blend it. I am blending the edges, pressing the concealer brush flat on my skin, gently distributing the product to blend into my skin. Try to avoid dragging the brush too much and work in a dabbing motion around the area. Since the area of the active acne is bumpy, I want to make sure to cover it from all sides. When there's an active acne, the bump is impossible to hide fully. With makeup, you can reduce the appearance of it, but it can't be completely vanished. I'm going over one more time with my foundation brush and making sure that my base makeup is completely blended in. And I will just finish the blush, contour and highlight routine and then show you a great way to apply powder on textured skin. So you can clearly see that I have some texture on my cheeks. What I'm gonna do is take a cotton puff and dip it in powder and then press the puff into my skin. This will fill any pores and flatten the surface of the skin. This technique is called the dab and roll technique. Once you press the puff, you want to roll it a bit, like I am doing in the video. You can clearly see the pores and texture diminishing in appearance. If you don't believe me, go back by 10 seconds to see the difference it creates. I just finished the rest of my makeup routine and this is the final look. Also, to all the beauty lovers watching me right now, don't forget to subscribe to Air Black Beauty Club's YouTube channel and stay updated by hitting the bell icon. Catch their useful makeup tutorials and hacks at 9 p.m. on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it helpful. Don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.